In this LashJoy Academy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to hold our tweezers. So we have our straight tweezers and also our flat foot tweezers. Our straight tweezers are for isolation, flat foot tweezers are for application. So to hold your straight tweezers, we want to get out our gun, resting on the end two pads of our fingertips, thumb in the middle, resting on that top knuckle of our ring finger. These three nails here, we move down towards the forehead, elbow out, resting on the forehead. So by using this method, you can work from the forehead and you can access both eyes quite easily. So our wrist will rest on the side of the forehead, elbow down, angling down towards the iPad, never towards the eyeball. Elbow comes up and rest on the corner of the tile or on the forehead. So you can easily access the whole eye using this method without squashing the lashes or getting your hands in the adhesive. When working with flat foot tweezers, I would recommend holding your two fingers behind and your thumb in the middle. Try and make sure that you're not too high like this. If you're holding the tweezers up really high, you're going to get a lot more strain in your hands. It could lead to RSI. So move down nice and low so that way you don't need as much strength to really close that flat foot of your tweezer tips. So you can access the whole two eyes using this method by having your pinky down and stretching in. Place your pinky on the nose to stretch into the inner corner, the middle, or also the outer edge. So those were my custom techniques for holding the LashJoy tweezers.